Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Tennoji Park. Tennoji Park is a large city park in Tennoji Ward, Osaka. It opened in 1909 and is one of the oldest parks in the city. The park is a mix of nature, culture, and fun and is loved by both locals and tourists. Inside the park, you can find Tennoji Zoo, Osaka City Museum of Fine Arts, and a big green area called Tenshiba. Tenshiba is an opened grassy space where people relax, play, and enjoy the outdoors. It has cafes, restaurants, and play areas for children. On weekends, many families and young people come to enjoy the area. There is also a garden area with flowers that bloom in every season, making it a peaceful place to walk. Tennoji Zoo is one of the oldest public zoos in Japan. You can see popular animals like lions and giraffes. At the Osaka City Museum of Fine Arts, you can see art from Japan and other parts of Asia. It's a good place to learn about Japanese culture. As 1525 Osaka Kansai Expo gets closer, the area around the Tennoji Park is being improved. More people are visiting now. The park is easy to access. It's only a short walk from Tennoji Station, which has a JR and Osaka Metro lines. If you want to enjoy nature and culture in the city, Tennoji Park is a great place to visit. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.